To make someone happy, try giving them genuine words of affirmation that share specifically what it is that you appreciate about them. People we care about may know we like them, but reminding them why we feel that way can really boost their spirits. If you want to make someone happy with a gift, you could make them a favorite dish, bake them bread or a sweet treat, or buy them something they would love but would never buy for themselves. Offering someone a helping hand can make them happy too. You could assist with a project like cleaning their house, or raking their leaves, or give them a ride, or run errands for them. Sometimes, you could make someone happy simply by spending time connecting with them, actively listening to whatever is on their mind. You could try meeting up for a hike, a trip to the movies, or grab a bite to eat to spend time together and talk. Even if you can't see someone you care about in person, you can always call them up or text them to say hi and that you miss them.